The Galaxy Watch 7 FE, Galaxy Watch 7, and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra are the three smartwatches that Samsung will introduce at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. The third model, which will replace the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, will be considerably more expensive than the one that came before it, thus the moniker. It has come to our attention that Samsung has chosen to rename the Galaxy Watch Ultra. TechManiacs claims that, contrary to earlier leaks and reports, Samsung's next high-end wristwatch will be called the Galaxy Watch X rather than the Galaxy Watch Ultra. According to the report, the Galaxy Watch X is expected to have an advertised battery life of 100 hours and be water-resistant up to 100 meters. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, Samsung's premium smartwatch at the moment, boasts an alleged 80-hour battery life and is water-resistant up to 50 meters. Although the promised 36-hour battery life of Apple's premium wristwatch, the Ultra 2, is water-resistant up to 100 meters, it is significantly less on paper than that of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic or the impending Galaxy Watch X. As a result, Samsung will have a significant advantage over Apple in this area. The Galaxy Watch X is expected to have a higher battery than the Galaxy Watch 6, this is one of the reasons it has a longer battery life. The Exynos W1000 chipset will be the additional factor driving the life of the battery to 100 hours. Samsung's first system-on-chip, the Galaxy Watch X, was created using a 3nm fabrication method, as we have already witnessed. Since the launch date is July 10, 2024, hopefully we will find out more. Samsung will also introduce the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 at the next Galaxy Unpacked presentation. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.